In the silent depths of the universe, galaxies drift endlessly through space.
Astronomers notice thousands of galaxies moving together, and all of them are heading toward the same mysterious direction. It wasn't random movement across the universe. Something powerful was pulling them all toward one hidden point.
Even our own galaxy, the Milky Way, is part of this journey.
Billions of stars are moving together in a silent cosmic migration, as if an enormous gravitational force is pulling everything forward.
But here is the terrifying mystery. Scientists cannot actually see what is pulling them. A thick wall of cosmic dust hides this region from our view. Whatever lies there remains completely invisible.
Yet the evidence is impossible to ignore. Every calculation points to the same powerful force.
Entire galaxy clusters are slowly falling toward this hidden location, a motion happening across hundreds of millions of light years. Scientists eventually gave this unseen force a name. They called it, the Great Attractor. The Great Attractor lies hundreds of millions of light years away, yet its gravity reaches across unimaginable distances.
Its gravitational pull is so powerful that even giant galaxies cannot escape its influence. Our own Milky Way is slowly drifting toward it, traveling through space at nearly 2 million kilometers per hour.
Thousands of galaxies are flowing toward this point, like a gigantic river of stars crossing the universe.
But something about this region is deeply unsettling. No telescope can clearly see what lies there. Scientists tried scanning the region with powerful instruments, using every technology available to modern astronomy.
Through infrared and X-ray observations, something finally appeared. A massive concentration of galaxies hidden behind the dust.
A colossal structure containing thousands of galaxies. One of the largest cosmic structures ever discovered.
This entire region is part of an enormous structure called Laniakea, and somewhere deep inside this supercluster.
The Great Attractor is not a single galaxy. It sits inside one of the largest structures in the universe. Galaxies are not randomly scattered in space. They form gigantic networks called the cosmic web. Across this web, galaxies flow along invisible gravitational paths, slowly drifting toward massive regions of gravity.
Our entire region of space is moving together. But something about the Great Attractor is still strange. Even its true size remains unknown. Astronomers began calculating the mass of this hidden region, and the numbers shocked them.
The mass of the Great Attractor could equal tens of thousands of galaxies. A gravitational giant hiding in the darkness. Its gravity bends the motion of galaxies across hundreds of millions of light years, a force shaping our entire cosmic neighborhood.
But older scientists discovered something even more surprising. The Great Attractor might not be alone, because beyond it, something even larger may exist. When scientists looked beyond the Great Attractor, they discovered something even more massive.
A colossal structure known as the Shapley Supercluster, one of the most massive regions in the nearby universe.
This supercluster contains thousands of galaxies, each filled with billions of stars. Some astronomers believe this giant structure,
If that is true, the Great Attractor may only be part of a much bigger journey. Our galaxy is traveling through the universe right now,
carried along by a huge cosmic flow.
Entire galaxy clusters are being dragged along this path, across hundreds of millions of light years.
The gravity involved is almost unimaginable, stronger than anything in our cosmic neighborhood. But the deeper East Asian male scientists explore this region, the more mysterious it becomes.
Because something strange surrounds these giant structures. A massive emptiness known as a cosmic void. Surrounding these giant galaxy clusters is something unexpected. A massive region of almost complete emptiness.
Middle Eastern male scientists call these enormous empty regions cosmic voids.
While galaxy clusters pull matter inward, these giant voids may actually push galaxies away.
Instead of gravity pulling from one side, space itself may be pushing from the other.
Then scientists discovered something shocking. A massive void directly opposite the Great Attractor.
This strange region was named the Dipole Repeller, a gigantic cosmic void pushing galaxies away.
Suddenly, the mystery became clearer. Galaxies may be both pulled and pushed through space.
Our Milky Way is caught between these two cosmic forces, a push from behind and a pull from ahead. This creates a giant cosmic current of galaxies.
But one mystery still remains unsolved. What lies at the true center of this cosmic journey?
To understand the mystery, scientists traced the movement of thousands of galaxies, following their paths across the universe.
What they discovered looked like enormous rivers of galaxies flowing through the cosmic web.
These cosmic rivers guide galaxies along invisible gravitational highways, leading them toward massive regions of gravity.
Our galaxy belongs to a huge structure called Laniakea, a supercluster.
And deep within this enormous cosmic structure lies the mysterious region known as the Great Attractor. Over billions of years, galaxy clusters slowly move closer together, pulled by gravity across unimaginable distances. Eventually, many of these galaxies will collide and merge, forming even larger cosmic structures.
Our Milky Way is also part of this journey.
Across the universe, gravity shapes the largest structures that exist, connecting galaxies across billions of light years.
But the final mystery still remains. What exactly is hiding inside the Great Attractor?
For decades, the Great Attractor remained hidden from our view. A mysterious region buried behind a wall of cosmic dust. The center of our own galaxy blocks the view, like a curtain hiding what lies beyond. But new infrared telescopes changed everything. They could finally see through the dust. Behind the curtain of stars and gas, scientists began to uncover something enormous. A massive concentration of galaxies, packed tightly together in deep space. This colossal structure is known as the Norma Cluster, one of the most massive galaxy clusters nearby. Its gravity is unbelievably powerful, strong enough to influence galaxies across hundreds of millions of light years. This cluster sits near the center of the Great Attractor region, acting like a giant gravitational anchor. Deep in space lies a region filled with thousands of galaxies, a place where gravity gathers entire worlds together.
But even this enormous cluster may not be the final answer, because the universe still hides deeper secrets.
The Norma Cluster is one of the most massive structures near our galaxy. A gigantic gathering of thousands of galaxies.
Each galaxy inside this cluster contains billions of stars, together forming an unimaginable gravitational force.
Gravity slowly pulls these galaxies closer together, binding them into a giant cosmic structure. Over billions of years, these galaxies will interact, sometimes even colliding and merging together. And far away from this cluster, our own galaxy is slowly moving too. The Milky Way is part of a small group of galaxies, all drifting together through the universe.
In about 4 billion years, something dramatic will happen. Our galaxy will collide with the Andromeda Galaxy. The two galaxies will merge together, creating a new giant galaxy in the distant future.
Across the universe, gravity continues shaping cosmic structures, slowly building larger and larger systems. Galaxies are not isolated islands. They are part of a vast cosmic network.
The universe is woven into enormous filaments of galaxies, connected across unimaginable distances.
Between these filaments lie giant cosmic voids, regions almost completely empty.
Gravity slowly guides galaxies along these paths, like rivers flowing through space.
Over billions of years, the universe constantly evolves, structures forming and reshaping across time.
The Great Attractor is only one piece of this puzzle. The universe may hide even greater structures.
Superclusters of galaxies dominate the large-scale universe, each containing thousands of galaxies.
Together, they form the largest structures known to science. A breathtaking cosmic architecture.
And yet this vast universe keeps expanding, growing larger every moment. Many mysteries still remain hidden in the darkness, waiting for future discoveries.
The Great Attractor was once completely invisible, and it may not be the last hidden giant we discover.
With new telescopes and technology, humanity continues exploring deeper into the universe. Every discovery reveals new cosmic mysteries, making the universe even more fascinating. Somewhere inside this vast universe, and inside that galaxy, lies our tiny planet. From Earth to our galaxy, and from our galaxy to the cosmic web, everything is connected by gravity. Across the vast universe, the universe is unimaginably large, and we have only begun to understand it. Somewhere out there, more cosmic mysteries are waiting to be discovered. Each galaxy holds billions of stars, and possibly countless unknown worlds.
The universe is vast, mysterious, and endlessly fascinating. And our journey to understand it has only just begun.